Right Way Auto Repair and Sales is a family-owned and operated, full-service automotive mechanical repair center and repair facility and used car dealership located in East Hamilton, Ontario.
Our mission is to provide honest and dependable service, and we try to take care of the customers and their cars.
We treat our customers like family, so we look out for both you and your car, making sure you get back on the road safely. Right Way Auto Repair hires trained technicians who are willing to stay on top of the latest technology in the automotive industry through ongoing schools and training.
We have great people on the team, and my job is to provide and attract customers here, and their job to keep the customer here and provide quality work.
Our certified personnel are committed to helping our customers gain the knowledge to make the right service decisions at the right time. Our Right Way Auto Sales Department is focused on providing quality, certified, pre-owned vehicles and offers a variety of all makes and models in various price classes.
We try to provide the best cars for our customers. We work hard on them, make sure we repair them right, make sure we clean them right. At the end of the day, the customer has to be happy. We want to present something that we're proud of.
If you're in the market for a used vehicle, Right Way Auto Sales will go above and beyond to assist you for a vehicle that's right for you.
We feel privileged to serve our Hamilton community with our quality job. So I think that's the main purpose of Right Way Auto Repair.
Give us a call. We're ready to provide you with all our vehicle services.